Wait, this is
Good morning.
this is Bibi Chia, principal dietitian. All right, and we're so happy to have you join us this morning.
At, making sure people have enough energy to start their day, then yes, breakfast would be one of the most important meals. But give that person the motivation to wake up early, be healthy, exercise. I would recommend intermittent fasting for those who love to snack late into the night, and that is a great diet for people who have to eat at 12 o'clock.
What's the recommended amount of time before a workout, Bibi? Because my mom used to say, you don't eat before a workout, you get appendicitis.
You get stitches. That's
Don't
what I
jump
used
around.
to hear.
Yeah.
He wanted
Yes.
to ask you, what's the difference between a dietitian and a nutritionist?
Oh, very sensitive, but
Oh.
yes, there is a very clear.
Money.
So,
Don't you notice many people have digestive issues these days, Bibi?
yeah, so I'm seeing more and more cases of IBS or irritable bowel syndrome. And yeah, so I made a smoothie out of frozen peaches. Today, mine is a peach with a Greek yogurt, flaxseed, and chia seed.
That looks so good.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, Bibi. We had so much fun.
Thank you.
See you next
See you
week.
next week.
Yes.
See you.
Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.
Same to you. Bye.